I just backed up into this lane right here, and the robot's already here to take off my empty. First the front gate had to close, and then there's like gates back there that the wheels of the machine can get through. I think these machines are called straddles or something like that. But these things are pretty much automated with the computer system, but sometimes it'll get stuck and it'll just be frozen, and then that's when you gotta hit this intercom button and talk to somebody, and then they gotta like remotely control the robot and then finish the job for you. So now it's just gonna take it and go stack it somewhere and then wait to get loaded onto a ship. There it goes. Pretty busy inside here. There's a lot of trucks coming in. Yeah, this is what it looks like right here at APM. Way different than how it used to look before. Yeah, my appointment was at 5:30, so I woke up at 3:30. I'm like, man, I hate waking up early. I'm not a morning person. Like, regular time for me is if I have an 8 a.m. appointment, then I'll wake up at 5 a.m. and then I try to be like an hour early to my 8 a.m. So if I wake up at 5, it usually takes me like 15 minutes to get to my yard where my truck is parked at, and then I'll do my my pre-trip or whatever, and then start driving by like 5:30, and then by that time traffic is barely starting to build up. So sorry, I'm freaking foggy right now. I'm freaking tired as heck. But yeah, the traffic's barely starting to build up at 5:30. So with like moderate traffic, like light to moderate traffic, it takes me about like an hour 20 minutes to get to Long Beach. But if I don't leave the yard until like 6 a.m., then it's like guaranteed it's gonna take like 2 hours or more to get to Long Beach, depending on like how many accidents and how much traffic jams and all that bullshit. Alright, there's the machine right there, giving me my load now. Yeah, I freaking hate waking up early, man. That's the price you pay. You're a truck driver. You gotta wake up freaking early as hell sometimes. Alright, the machine just dropped my load. And now this front gate's gonna, well, first that back gate has to close. And then once those gates close, then this front gate will open. And then I'll be able to go in there and then drive out. I just gotta lock all 4 corners. Goes through this hole right here, and there's a pin right there, so that like if the truck makes a hard turn, then the container's not gonna fall off this chassis. The chassis is the bottom part with the wheels, and then the container's the top part. Picture of the seal. Blurry. freaking safety vest on right now. That's one thing when you go in and out of the terminals at the Long Beach ports, you always have to have your safety vest on. There's like always signs when you're first coming in, like all the rules and stuff, like stay in your truck, never approach equipment inside the terminal, wear your safety vest at all times, don't be on your cell phone while driving, you know, all those basic rules and stuff. Yeah, I was like, what the heck? I started driving right now. Oh crap, I forgot my freaking safety vest. And I put it right here on my passenger armrest. So it's like easy to grab. But anyways, man, I just wanted to make this quick video just to like kind of show you guys what I do every day. I can't really take passengers into the port because it's not allowed for whatever reason. I think the only exception is like if you're training a driver, and that driver, of course, they have to have what's called a twin card, and that's pretty much like security clearance that they're allowed to go in and out of the port. And then like you would have to notify whatever terminal that you got a trainee with you, and then they would pretty much like give you permission to have a passenger. But yeah, I kind of want to just show you guys just a little sneak peek of what I mostly do every day, going in and out of these ports. There's 12 different terminals right here at the ports, and they're all different, man. And 3 of them are automated, like fully, or not, I wouldn't say fully, because they still have humans working like in some parts. Like, of course, like the people that like work in the office, and then they help you out on the intercom. And then there's the people that they operate the cranes that unload the ships. What else? Oh, the yard truck drivers inside the terminals. But as far as the automated part is basically like the trucks that park in the lanes, and then the machines that load those trucks, those ones are fully automated. There's no humans working those. But yeah, it's crazy to think that eventually every single job is going to be replaced by automation, by AI. We're in the AI boom right now. I'm even trying to like learn how to use AI so I could try to make money off of AI. But yeah, now's the time, man. If you're trying to make some extra income outside of your normal job, or even try to like escape whatever job that you're trapped in right now, like, man, start looking into AI, Chat GPT, start asking it questions like, how can I make money using AI? And it's like the possibilities are endless. Oh, hey, look, there's a freaking there's a ship right here. I hardly ever see ships moving in the ocean. They're usually always docked at the port. But yeah, anyways, I just wanted to make this quick video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you on the next one.